Now, let's make another 3D Paint tutorial how to use 3D shapes to learn 3D modeling from scratch. Choose a 3D object. Let's start from simple cubes. Just cubes. Now, copy-paste to create more cubes. Select all of them, copy-paste, more cubes. Control-A, select all of them and copy-paste. Rotate these cubes. Copy-paste. Rotate them. Copy-paste. Rotate them in another position. Okay, this is enough. Now, choose a 3D object, a sphere. Make a sphere here. Duplicate the sphere, Control copy, and now Control paste, or just drag with your mouse the ball wherever you want. Copy paste another ball. Now, let's change the colors to the shapes. Choose the fill bucket. No, I do not want in the outside. I want it white. Okay. What happens when it doesn't paint? We will leave them blue. Nope. If you want the background to another color, okay, let's leave it blue. Okay. I prefer the black one. Now, let's save this picture as a 3D object. Go to menu, click with your mouse Save as a 3D model, and you will see the result. Give a name. I will name it My Spheres. My Spheres. Choose where you want to save your project and save. Now, let's go where we have saved our project to see the result. My spheres here in the desktop, I have the second project. Let's see what we have done. This is my model. You see the balls, the cubes. Let's turn it around. How 3D models work. This is the easiest thing you can do. Cubes and spheres, colors. You see the environment, the distances, what exactly you want to design. You have to move the objects, the shapes exactly to the position to create great environments, great places, and a variety of things. This is not something very important, but it is a way to show you how you can start using 3D programs. 3D Paint is very easy. If you use Blender, Blender is difficult, but it is an open source software and fantastic. If you start learning designing 3D objects, you can use Blender. Blender creates movies and cartoons just with 3D models. It is a very difficult program, but if you try to start from the easiest 3D modeling pieces, then it will be more easy for you to learn Blender. Blender is an open source software. You can download it for free to your desktop, install it to your computer, and then start learning by various tutorials about Blender and using your own 3D animations. I will upload Blender videos later. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel to support this effort we try to do and to give you as many tutorials as we can, so for you to become an expert. Thank you for watching this video. Come back soon.